Hey, so if your Typeform is not responsive on mobile, yeah, like it looks broken, cut off, or hard to use, that's a big problem, especially for users on phones. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure you're using the default Typeform layout. I mean, custom layouts or heavy design changes can sometimes break mobile responsiveness. Next, keep your questions short and simple. Yeah, long text can overflow or look messy on smaller screens. Now, check your images or videos. If they're too large, they might not scale properly on mobile. Try resizing or compressing them. If your form is embedded on a website, make sure the embed is responsive. I mean, use a flexible width container, especially on platforms like Webflow or WordPress. Yeah, this is important. If your website uses fixed width sections, the form might get cut off on mobile. So use flexible or full width layouts. Sometimes custom CSS or themes can break the layout. Try removing or adjusting those styles to see if the form displays correctly. After that, yeah, test your form on different phones and browsers. This helps you catch device-specific issues. If the embed still looks broken, try using the direct Typeform share link instead. This version is fully optimized for mobile. So yeah, that's how you fix Typeform mobile responsive issues. Usually it's layout, images, or embed settings causing the problem. Try these steps and your form should look great on any device. Thanks for watching.